Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to just use the blending mode and camera filter and the photograph, the combination of 3 or 4 things, and the Google Nick collection as well. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So go to the file and open up, and I downloaded a stock image and I'll give you that download link in my video description. So at first make copy of this photo. I'll show you just 3 things. At first I will apply the bokeh, light bokeh, which I downloaded from the stock website, and I'll give you that download link. And then I'll just adjust the color with the camera filter, and then I'll apply the Google Nick collection, and then I'll just give this one to the output. So at first make copy by pressing Ctrl J, and then go to the file and place embedded options, and here is the bokeh, and just make it bigger. Press the shift and alter button and just make it flip horizontal, and adjust with that and hit the tick button. Press Ctrl T again and fit with the full screen, and then hit the tick button, and then go to the blending mode and make it skin. And if you make it multiply, it will be like that. The lighten area will appear, and if you make it overlay, it will be over saturated or strong saturation. And the skin mode, that's the perfect thing. So select these 2 things, make it group and make it merge. Go to the filter again and camera filter. Now I will add effect for neutralize this photo. So here I'll decrease the black value, and then the dehaze option, I'll make it dehaze like that. And then HSL options, I'll make it the HSL like that. And from the basic options, I'll decrease the exposure a little bit and highlight as well a little bit. And then whites, I'll add some whites like that. And then if you make it warmy, then it will be perfect for this photo. And then clarity, make it up. And after that, go to the camera calibration options, and I'll make it like that, and the color like that, and neutralize the color. And here from the HSL panel, the saturation of orange I'll reduce a little bit, and the luminance of orange I'll make it up, and saturation of red I'll increase. The face color, that means the lips color is red. And here I'll make the hue of the blue, I'll make it aqua like that, and the luminance I'll make it down, and the saturation of aqua I'll make it down, and the luminous blue I'll make it down. So let's see the before one and after one. So before one and after one. So I'll save this preset and I'll give you that preset to you. And here the detail options, and I'll add some amount of sharpening and reduce the noise. Yeah, that's fine. From here the orange luminance and yellow luminance, yeah, that's good. And from the camera calibration, I'll make it, that's good, that's pretty good. That's good. And from the tone curve and the blue tone curve, if I make it a little bit warmy like that and like that, that's good. And the green, from green I'll make it, yeah, that's cool. And then finally the red options, from the tone curve I'll make it a little bit like that, that's good. And the RGB options, I'll add some gamma, this. So before that you have to lock it up, that means all the points you have to lock for not moving. So I'll make it like this, and from here the FX option, I'll make it like that. And from here the blue curve, I'll adjust the blue curve. Yeah, that's fine. And I'll save this preset for you guys, and then I'll give you that downloading in my video description. So check it out, and I'll give that bokeh. Okay, and hit the OK button. So I think this one is more amazing than the before one. So before one and after one, you are just getting a perfect light effect with the fake bokeh or whatever you can tell, or you can easily make this photo more dramatic or other stuffs. So after that, I'll go to the filter again and the nick collection. This one is my favorite things. You know that if you add some effect from the Google nick collection, it will be more dramatic and more amazing, I think. So here is lots of things, but I usually use the cross processing. This one is my style, and you can follow my style or you can use your own. That's good. Here is lots of filter, and choose one of them for the perfect balancing or perfect color. And here are lots of things. If you need, you can use that. So I'll use this one, L02. Here is the option, the strength. You can use the strength options for the strong just effect, and you can control it and hit the OK button. It will take time to give you the output, and after that it will be amazing thing. So yeah, it's loading. And then let's see the before one, the normal ordinary image. That's good photography, I appreciate that, but if you make like that, it will be more amazing and more like shiny or other stuffs. So here in this portion, you're getting the too much highlighted portion. So what should I do for that? So I'll take a new blank layer and go to the gradient tool and select the last one gradient, this one, and then just press the shape button and make it like that. Press Ctrl T and make it bigger, just bigger, and add a little bit. Yeah, that's good. That means overexposed area, you just control this one like this. So I'll add this one from here. Yeah, this one is the technique of using the fake bokeh, fake lights in your photography, and you can make your photography more amazing. I think that's good. If you need stock image, if you need the preset, please check out my video description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you like this one, please thumbs up. And until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.